Is Proverbs Profits a total scam? Let's get right to it. As of March 2026, I've dug deep, and here's the truth. There's no credible evidence that a platform called Proverbs Profits is recognized by any legit financial regulator. Not the FCA, not the SEC, not even ASIC. In fact, when you search for it, all you'll find are sketchy social media accounts blending biblical quotes with wild promises of wealth. That's a classic red flag. Why do scammers use names like Proverbs Profits? Simple. Mixing religious themes with get-rich-quick schemes is a proven way to earn your trust fast and then run off with your cash. Let's talk about the signs. First, guaranteed returns. If someone is promising you daily profits, rain or shine, that's your cue to step away. No real investment works like that. Second, withdrawal fees. If you're being told you need to pay a processing or tax fee before you can get your own money back, major warning sign. Legit platforms don't operate this way. Third, social media hustle. Real financial firms have proper websites and regulatory info. If most of the action is happening in WhatsApp groups or Instagram DMs, something's off. So what can you do? Always verify with your local financial authorities or the SEC Action Search. Audit their website, check for a real address and solid terms of service. And never ever trust someone on social media who calls themselves a mentor and promises proven profits. Bottom line, Proverbs Profits isn't registered, isn't regulated, and checks all the scam boxes. Don't let the branding fool you. Stay sharp, do your homework, and protect your money. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.